Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to edit YouTube videos fast. So I will be showing you a few methods and then tools right here that can help you edit your video in case that you wanted to start a YouTube channel. So first is Canva. Let's just say if you want to focus on how to tutorial niche. So you need a screen recorder, let's just say Bandicam. I strongly suggest that you can go to Canva for thumbnail, and you can also use this one to, for example, if you want to create how to tutorials, let's just say how to create or how to sell PDF or ebook to Gumroad or other platform right here. So basically all you have to do is to screen record what you're going to show to your audience using the Bandicam recorder, also the Canva. So for example, this one right here. So let's just say I wanted to create an ebook about time management. So you can just basically do the screen recording right here, and then once you're done, then you can tap on the stop button with the Bandicam recorder, which I'm going to show you later. So, for example, I'm going to use Canva for my tutorial. And then once I'm done, then I'm going to stop this one. I'm going to use CapCut right now. CapCut is a free editing tool, don't worry. So you have to import the video right here. Now, CapCut has a lot of features. You can use the effects, you can use the voiceover, you can use animation, even AI right here. All you have to do is to drag or import the video, and then you can add effects. You can add other things right here, elements if you want. You can also cut, you can edit it easily. So I strongly suggest to use CapCut for editing your videos or your content in a very fast way. So once you're done, export this and then you can go back to your YouTube. You can upload the video right after. Make sure it's 1080p or 2K, it depends on you. And then after that, you have to enter the caption, the title, add description, thumbnail. You can use Canva for thumbnail. For tags, you can use rapid tags, and then after that, post. And basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.